an element of that very much was, as I said before, rewriting the text slightly to really place them within isolation, within the rehabilitation centre, and then knowing that we were going to go into rehearsals and that we were going to rehearse via Zoom, and then also that the show would be put out in the Zoom format, meant that there were certain physical things that we did in the original production that we had to rethink. And we did that, we had a really, really fun rehearsal process in terms of just working out how we could do those things and what the reality of those things were. But also, it being with the Zoom format, I've obviously done a little bit of experimenting with Zoom over the last however many weeks we've been in isolation anyway, before we'd even doing the show, and realising that, you can use sound and video along with it as well. So it meant that there were certain moments in the play where characters kind of go into their memories, and we knew that we could really embrace that and really break up the form that way using Tia Cashfield's sound design and Jorge Les Valdez's videography. And then in terms of actually rehearsing the play, obviously it was a challenge. We're all rehearsing either from our bedrooms or kitchens or conservatories or whatever. And there's a certain thing which I guess that liveness, where you communicate when you're rehearsing, you don't have. But luckily, the students I was working with were incredibly brave and incredibly dedicated in terms of working in a new way. And actually, it was just very exciting. Yeah.